I started buying my favorite Magnificent 7 stocks today. I absolutely understand. In my opinion, today was not a high odds buying opportunity. The large cap indexes are just a fraction off of their all-time highs. There are a few negative divergences out there, one of them being the NASDAQ 100 generally heads higher, as the NASDAQ 100 McClellan Summation Index generally heads lower. This is telling me that the Mag 7 stocks continue to support this market. Tomorrow morning at 0830, we get the consumer level inflation data numbers come out, and I have no idea which way the emotional herd is going to drive the stock market based on these numbers tomorrow morning. Now, if you're paying attention here, you know that I sold out of my favorite Mag 7 companies before the market even opened. I put in a market order on Friday, August 1st. And again, I did that because I was going to be on a plane, didn't know how Trump tariffs 2.0 were going to affect the market and whatnot. So I get it. I did the safe thing, but according to the chart right now, doing the safe thing was the wrong thing to do. And yes, it was probably also the wrong thing to do not to get in last week. So that is my fault, but I really don't want to let any more time go by. But because this is not the world's greatest buying opportunity, I only used 1/4 of the potential cash, which is a lot, but only used 1/4 of the potential cash that I could use towards this trade. So, case in point, if the herd does not like CPI numbers tomorrow morning and the market is lower, beautiful, I will simply buy more. With about 10 minutes left in the trading day on Friday, I sold half of my gold position. Of course, let my members know that I was doing it. So that was not part of my Friday video. I still own the other half. I did not get out today, even though as of about 2:56 in the afternoon, we do now have an absolutely unconfirmed breakdown below what I think is that important level at $3,452 an ounce. Let's see what happens tomorrow. If gold confirms the breakdown tomorrow, yes, absolutely, I could happily get out of the rest of my gold position. If gold does not confirm the breakdown tomorrow, I could hold, so stay tuned. I still happily own all of my short crude oil position. Even though crude oil was up today, we are still in that confirmed breakdown below $64.42 a barrel, which is almost to the penny the price that oil got up to today and then came back down. So I'm not willing to unwind, buy back, in other words, with any of my short crude oil position at the moment, but keep watching. Natural gas today, as of 2:37 in the afternoon, confirming the breakdown below $3.07 a cubic foot. This tells me that on a technical basis now, natural gas could fall as low as $2.84 a cubic foot. Obviously, this is not good for my long natural gas position. I really wanted to say crude oil. I still have a tiny bit of cash that I have allocated and put off to the side to possibly buy a little bit more natural gas if prices do now get lower, close to that $2.84 a cubic foot, but we shall see. So a little bit of patience. If this is not investment advice, but if you are not in a long natural gas trade at this point, this could be a really sweet time to get in. The 10 and 20-year yields took a little break from rising today, down fractionally as of 2:25 this afternoon. That's okay. I can absolutely be wrong. I still think these yields generally rise, which will continue to be good for my short bond fund position. And I did not enter any new short bond fund position today. I would need the yields to come down much more to do that. So stay tuned on getting any deeper into that trade. And, let's see. This is not investment advice. And if you don't know me, I'm John Crocker, professional investor, proud American, cigar lover, and owner of Crocker Capital, LLC.